Noticing cracks in your walls, uneven floors, or doors that won't close properly? These could all be signs that your foundation is sinking. Ignoring the problem won't make it disappear, it'll only worsen. But before you panic about costly repairs or digging up your yard, there's a better way. I'm Justin, and today we're talking about Deep Injection Polyurethane. It's a fast, clean, cost-effective solution that lifts and stabilizes sinking foundations without major disruption. If your foundation is sinking, you might assume the only solution is heavy machinery and excavation. Deep Injection provides a cleaner alternative by using expandable polyurethane resin injected deep into the soil. As the resin expands, it fills voids, strengthens weak soil, and lifts the foundation back into place. Unlike traditional repairs, this method reinforces the ground itself, preventing future settlement and structural damage. Why do homeowners and property managers prefer this method? First, there's no major disruption. We only drill small 3/8-inch holes into the affected areas. This means no heavy machinery or damage to your landscaping, patios, or sidewalks. Second, it's fast acting. Polyurethane expands and hardens in minutes. Research shows that 80% of the resin strength is reached within the first minute, meaning your building can be stabilized the same day. It also provides incredible structural strength by doubling the foundation's bearing capacity. By filling voids and compacting loose soil, the foam creates a dense, load-bearing support system. It's built for long-term durability, acting as an effective waterproofing solution that resists water, erosion, and washouts. Plus, it's eco-friendly and cost-effective. Because the process requires no excavation, labor and material costs are significantly lower. The process is simple. We drill those precisely placed 3/8-inch holes, then high-density resin is injected at multiple depths to fill voids and compact the soil. As it hardens, it gently lifts and levels the concrete back to its original position with pinpoint accuracy. It's ready for use the same day and prevents future settlement. Now, we do have alternatives depending on your project needs. Mudjacking is lower cost but requires larger drill holes, adds heavy weight to weaken soil, and is more prone to erosion. For severe settlement, we use helical piers to anchor to stable ground or push piers to support heavy structures. While these provide permanent stabilization, they do require excavation and have higher installation costs. A sinking foundation doesn't have to mean a massive hassle. Deep Injection Polyurethane is a fast, effective, minimally invasive solution to protect your investment. Don't wait for foundation issues to get worse. Contact Dalinghaus Construction today for a free foundation inspection, and let's determine if Deep Injection is the right solution for your home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.